Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Removing the background of a picture is thought to be difficult but not after this tutorial. So stick to the video and learn this fantastic hack. First of all, open Microsoft Word on your computer and click on a blank page or this new page file. Using this simple page, you can easily remove the background of any image within seconds, and you don't need to install any extra app on your phone. Here, go to the Insert button and click on the picture icon. Out of this dialog box, select this device. If you are using old version of Word, you might see the button saying this PC. Okay, now select the image whose background needs to be removed. I have already downloaded the picture of Joe Biden here as an example. So, I will simply import the picture here. Okay, so now double click on the picture using your mouse. This way you will select the image and see the properties of images. On the extreme left corner of this ribbon, you can see the button saying Remove Background. Click on it. Now you can see 4 options here. Okay, here, click on the mark areas to keep control and keep on drawing careful random lines on the areas in the picture that you want to remove. The pink area you see in the picture will be removed once you click the Keep Changes button. Here I hope to keep Biden's image along with the desk and remove any other details in the background. Keep on drawing lines until you get your final results. You can switch between mark areas to remove button and mark areas to keep button and keep on selecting your desired removal and addition as per your image requirements. Click the Keep Changes button. If something is wrong with the final results, don't worry. You can again go back to the background removal option and select the changes that you want. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon.